Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Civilsteps. So Civilsteps has started one of the important series that is for Prelims 2022. So Target Prelims 2022 initiative of Civilsteps will help students to cover the important topics of history, geography, polity, economy, science, environment, and current affairs. So this Target Prelims 2022 series has started from 19th of December 2021 and will help you to cover more than 1000 important topics for prelims examinations. Target Prelims 2022 has been designed keeping in mind the dynamic nature of the UPSC Civil Services Examinations. Hence, Target 2022 focus on overall preparation of a serious civil services aspirant, and it will sail you through UPSC Civil Services Examination very smoothly. So today we will discuss important MCQs of geography. So the first question is, which of the following states of India share international boundaries with Bangladesh? First, Assam; second, Sikkim; third, Mizoram; fourth, Manipur. So select the correct answer using the codes given below. Option A 1 and 2 only, B 1 and 3 only, C 1 and 4 only, option D 2, 3 and 4 only. So you have to tell the correct answer. So the correct answer of this question is option B 1 and 3 only. So India shares the longest land frontier with Bangladesh. So Bangladesh is 4096.7 kilometers. It shares boundary with India with states of West Bengal, Mizoram, Meghalaya, Tripura and Assam. Hence option B is the correct answer. So likewise you can prepare this stuff about other countries as well, like Bhutan and Nepal, so and Sri Lanka also. So this is all about this question. Here is question number second. Consider the following statements. First, potholes are cylindrical depressions over the rocky beds of hill streams. Second, potholes are generally formed in sandstones and granites. Third, plunge pools are formed at the base of waterfalls. So, which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A 1 only, B 1 and 3 only, option C 2 and 3 only, option D 1, 2 and 3. So you have to tell the correct answer. So the correct answer of this question is option D 1, 2 and 3 only. So all these statements are correct regarding potholes. So you can read more about potholes from standard sources. So this is all about this question. Here is question number 3. With reference to Swamitva scheme, consider the following statements. First, it aims to provide an integrated property validation solution by ensuring property rights to the residents of rural inhabited areas. Second, it is being implemented by the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. So, which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A 1 only, B 2 only, C both 1 and 2, and D neither 1 nor 2. So the correct answer of this question is option A 1 only. So Swamitva scheme is a central sector scheme launched on National Panchayat Day, that is 24th April 2020. The Ministry of Panchayati Raj is the nodal ministry for implementation of the scheme. Hence statement 2 is not correct option. So this Swamitva scheme is very important and you should cover all the aspects of Swamitva scheme from standard resources. So this is all about this question. Here is question number 4. Consider the following regions of India. First, Malabar coast. Second, northern part of Jammu and Kashmir. Third, Chota Nagpur plateau. So arrange the above given regions in increasing order of the variability of rainfall. Option A 1, 2, 3, B 2, 3, 1, option C 1 and then 3, then 2, option D 2, then 1 and then 3. So you have to tell the correct answer. So the correct answer of this question is option C, 132. So first comes Malabar coast and then Chota Nagpur plateau and then northern part of Jammu and Kashmir in increasing order of variability of rainfall. So this is all about question number 4. So here is the final question of this video, that is question number 5. Consider the following statements regarding savanna type climate. First, minimum diurnal range of temperature is the characteristic features of this type of climate. Second, distinct wet and dry seasons are observed in this climate. Third, vegetation in the savanna climate is predominantly semi-evergreen. So which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A, 1 only, B, 2 only, C, 2 and 3 only, and option number D, 1 and 3 only. So you have to tell the correct answer. So the correct answer of this question is option B, 2 only. So 2 only is the right about savanna type climate, while statement 1 and 3 is incorrect because the extreme diurnal range of temperatures is characteristic of the savanna type of climate. Hence statement 1 is not correct, while statement 3 is not correct because the tree are deciduous, shedding their leaves in the cool, dry season to prevent excessive loss of water through transpiration. Hence, statement 3 is not correct answer about savanna type of climate. So, actually, these climate types is very important from prelims exam point of view. So, you should prepare all the climate types that is there. So, in this way, you can prepare this topic. It is extremely important from prelims exam point of view, and you should not leave this topic. So this is all about today's video. You can subscribe the channel and you can also press the bell icon. Thank you very much.